Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. In this video I will share with you another Twosun knife that I got for my collection. It will be the TS334 in micarta. Comes like all previous Twosuns in this standard box with a little bit extra petting right there. And I am really pleased to report that I don't see any extra or huge amounts of oil on the knife itself. So somebody did hear our requests to not completely drench the knife in oil. So yeah, big thumbs up. Thank you very much for that. I see a little bit of oil residue here and here, but this is completely fine with me. So the 334 is another beautiful night morning design. For those of you who don't know, Night Morning is Twosun's in-house designer and did develop a lot of beautiful designs for them in the previous couple of years. So I hope to see even more beautiful designs from him. But overall, I would say this is one of those straight line designs which will fit really nicely in all sizes of hands. So I have extra large hands, so and I'm have a really comfortable fit. Yeah, really nice. So let me give you the specification really quickly. So we have a overall length of 18.4 centimeters, that is 7.2 inches. The blade is 7.6 centimeters or 3 inches with cutting edge of 2.8. So if you are living in a jurisdiction where 3-inch blades are permitted, then you should be okay with this one. The blade width is 3 centimeters or 1.2 inch with a thickness of 3.5 millimeters or 0.14 inches. The handle is 10.8 centimeters or 4.2 inches long with a thickness of 1.4 centimeters or 0.5 inches, that is without the pocket clip measured. Like on many new Twosun designs in end of 2021 and also 2022, we have this pivot color, which is also used as to give you the informations. So it says Twosun made in Yangling, China. And on the blade we have only 9 mornings maker's mark and the model number with the blade steel. So lots of previous models have this really wide Twosun logo on the blade, and this is a much subtler, much better way how to present your knife, giving it a more premium fit and finish, in my opinion. Okay, so the materials used, we have, like I mentioned, 14C28N, which is a Sandvik stainless steel with a standard satin belt finish that Twosun is still using on majority of their knives. I will wish they will switch to a nice stone wash, but hey, it is what it is, maybe in the future. We have a spear point or leaf shape blade. The handles are made out of this burlap style micarta that I really wish they would not use, because it is polished. As you can see, it's really smooth, really similar to the 111 on this one. So I would prefer to have a nice canvas style micarta or linen micarta, but this is me. Also, we have nested steel liners, which are for some reason not skeletonized. I don't know why. They could shave off a few grams of weight. And we have a black G10 partial backspacer. It runs on KVT ball bearings, so really nice and smooth, perfect centering. The pocket clip is their standard fold over deep carry pocket clip with not flush screws. Don't know why they still using these rounded screws, but also there is no possibility to swap it to the other side, so my left-handed users, I'm sorry, this will be probably not a knife for you. It has a really nice smooth action, like I mentioned, it rides on ball bearings. No detent ramp on this one, so you will have to overcome the ball detent to be able to close it. But for some, this is a security feature, so that it will not shut on your fingers, because like I mentioned, it's really nice and smooth. Okay, let's see the pocket profile really quickly. So it will go inside the pocket without any problems. I forgot to mention that we have medium stiff pocket clip. Definitely not heat treated, that is good to have. So it will go inside really without the problems. You can use jeans, any kind of canvas trousers or slacks, and you will be happy with the insertion action on this one. Okay, so the weight comes at 120 grams or 4.2 ounces, so might a little bit on the heavy side for your shorts and so on, but if you have any kind of normal or heavy duty pants, this is perfectly fine. Okay, so now let's see a few size comparisons. So I did show you the 111, which is one of my favorite designs from 9 Morning. It will be a little bit larger knife than the 334. And if I'm talking about the better quality micarta, then definitely the 301 is probably one of the best micartas that have Twosun used on their knives. So I don't know if they don't have the source of this micarta, but if you see the comparisons, so definitely is a really beautiful and raw canvas micarta brown, or a little bit to the orange. So if I have the opportunity to bring out the 301, and I will definitely do, and will still recommend the 301 as far as micarta goes to any currently available Twosun knife, because for some reason this for me is a step back. Clear and simple, this is a step back from this one. Yeah, this will probably not stain that easily because it is already treated, so polished, but the feel on this one is definitely way better. Okay, so let us continue. Here is the Kaiser Begleiter 2, the Petrified Fish 949 K or X, sorry, the Mini Warrior. Here's the Kaiser Pinch, full-size feldspar from CGRB, with also a beautiful burlap micarta. This is how the burlap micarta is done, and so far as pricing goes, definitely these take the cake. So they are they have a much better micarta than this one. Sadly, this is only a Knife Center exclusive design model with these micarta scales, because these are sold standard with the different kinds of G10. So here's the mini feldspar, is a full-size feldspar. So if you can get your hands on these, then definitely do not hesitate and get them whilst they are still available. Okay, so here's the paramilitary 2 in canvas micarta. The CVV Elementum, QSP Penguin, the Chinese clone bug out in also brown Chinese canvas micarta. Small reptilian from Benchmade. Red Model 1. Red Model 2, Red Model 1 in micarta, also knife center exclusive. It's an excellent working knife. If you are looking for this combination, then I strongly suggest go and check out if they are still available at knifecenter.com. Okay, here is a full-size Griptilian. Here's a small one. Spider Cordelica. Let's see, here is the Rough Rider Peanut. In my pocket today is the Bugsprint Pro. This is also an excellent example what a nice quality burlap micarta looks like. Yes, these are made in the US and cost almost double the price than this one, but yes, you can see the comparisons right there. So, and let's use also the mini sheepdog, and let's close it down with the K-Bar Dozier Folding Hunter. Okay, so let's talk about the pricing. So these are priced at around 70 euros. That is how much I did pay for it because of all the taxes and fees and so on. But if you are from US, then you are lucky because White Mountain Knives does have them listed at around $45.99. If they're not available, I will also link you the AliExpress site where they are going for around $59. So check out your favorite reseller if they are available there or not, because Twosun is getting really popular, but for some reason they are still not selling directly. If you know what I'm talking about, through the years the most or should I say the best way how to acquire them was go on eBay. They have their somebody who is directly selling from them and does this via auctions, so you can also save sometimes lots of money if you are bid on a low priced auction. But usually at around $50, this is a great price for 14C20 and blade steel micarta and a beautiful design with a great action. Okay, so this was the Twosun TS334, a night morning design. If you have any questions, please leave comments down below, and I'm more than happy to reply as soon as I can, of course. If you're a subscriber, thank you very much, big thumbs up to you. And if you are not a subscriber, then please consider subscribing to not miss any future videos. I try to release at least 3 videos per week. I try to be try to be constant in this way, so that the YouTube algorithm does don't downvote my my videos. But if you have the possibility to be a subscriber or like the video, I would highly appreciate it. So with that being said, I would like to thank you for watching and wish you a wonderful day. Hope to see you soon. Bye.